Namaste yogis, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pritika and we are doing a video on good hair growth. So if you are suffering from, it can be because of some stress, some hormonal disorders, or you are going through some medical treatments, it can be because of these reasons or anything else. So here we have a video which can actually, regulate your blood circulation in your head and actually help you in your good hair growth. Yes? So you can hop onto something comfy and let's get started. Okay, so the first asana that we will be doing is the Hastapadasana. So for that you need to stand up. So you can you can open up your legs hip width apart, a little bit distance. Yes. Inhale, take your arms up. Now remember, when we are going down, we will take our buttocks back, lower back in, pushed in, spine in, hands in front. Slowly exhale, go down, place your palms by the side of your feet and try and go in. If you're not able to touch the floor and you are somewhere in between, it's completely okay. You can either hold your elbows or you can hold your ankles, somewhere in between, and just feel the asana, feel the blood circulation rushing to your head. Just go down and feel the asana. Take some long deep breaths. We can hold each asana for 10 seconds. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, relax. So this is the first asana, that is Hastapadasana. You can hold each asana like minimum for 10 seconds and then you can move on, then you can go on with it. Yeah? Okay. So the second asana that we will be doing is Adho Mukha Svanasana, that is the downward facing dog pose. So for that you need some space, so you can go a little bit back and slowly hop onto your mat, take your arms in front. Place your palms down, shoulders in a line, hips in a line, lower back pushed in, chest pushed in towards the floor. Your toes are on the floor and try and place your heels on the floor. We have a video on this, how to do Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward dog. So you can just go and check out that how much distance there should be between your feet and hands. Now push your shoulders in and away from the floor. Hold, take long deep breaths and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Meanwhile, take long deep breaths. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Relax and place your knees on the floor. Yes. Now we will do Ustrasana, the camel pose, that is the third asana. For that you need to place your knees down on the floor. That's a back bending asana. So we are doing exactly opposite of what we did. Yes. So inhale, take your arm back. Hold your ankle. Now inhale, take your left hand, hold your left ankle, drop your head and look back. Hold. Take long deep breaths, feel the asana. Let's hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. If you're not able to reach your feet, so what you can do is you can hold on to your waist and slowly slide back and look back. That's what you can do if you're not able to reach your feet. Yes. So the next asana, followed by the next asana, that is the Suryanamaskar asana, the rabbit pose. So we are here in the same position. What we are going to do is we are going to hold our heels and we're going to place our head down near our knees. Buttocks are up. Hold. Keep breathing. Take normal long deep breaths. Try and relax your body with your breath. Let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Come back. Exhale, relax. I hope my hairstyle is good. It's fine. Okay. So let's just lie down now. We'll be doing some lying down asana. So just lie down on your back. So for the next asana, we will bring our knees into the chest. We'll be doing Pavan Muktasana. People tend to fart a lot in this pose, as it is called the gas releasing pose. So hold your knees. You can wrap your arms around your knees and bring your head towards your knees. See if you can touch your nose to the knee and hold. Take long deep breaths. Inhale, take a long deep breath in and exhale. Let's hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly relax your head, relax your feet, and release your legs. Yeah. And the last asana for today we will be doing is Sarvangasana. So keep your arms by your side. Lift your knees up, lift your buttocks up with the help of your hand. Drop your weight on your shoulders. Support your back with your hands. Support your back with your hands and try and bring your elbows to each other. Now straighten up your legs. You might be somewhere here, here, here. It's completely okay. Straighten up your legs. Tighten up your buttocks. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Let's hold for 10 seconds. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bend your knees, bring your knees to your chest, and with the help of your hand, bring your buttocks down and relax. So these were the asanas for good hair growth. I hope you liked it and I hope you found them to be very useful, and you have to do all these asanas every single day for good hair growth. Yes, just incorporate these asanas in your daily routine so that you can actually feel the results, you can actually see the results. Yes, so thank you so much for being here with me, and if you have any questions of any sort, just feel free to leave your comments down in the section below, and please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much. Namaste yogis.